Welcome to Top 5 Best Picks. The best DSLR video camera is probably one of the most transformative tools in modern content creation. It has revolutionized how filmmakers, content creators, and hobbyists capture video. With its high-quality imaging capabilities, versatility, and user-friendly controls, it has become a staple for anyone looking to elevate their visual storytelling and produce professional-looking videos. Number 5. Canon EOS Rebel T7 DSLR Camera with 2-Lens Kit. Introducing the Canon EOS Rebel T7. This camera is designed to help you capture stunning photos and videos. It's perfect for both beginners and experienced photographers. Featuring a 24.1 megapixel CMOS sensor, it delivers exceptional image quality. The sensor captures incredible detail, allowing you to create beautiful photos with ease. With its advanced autofocus system, including dual-pixel CMOS AF and eye detection, it ensures sharp focus. This feature helps you capture clear and focused shots every time. Share your photos instantly with built-in Wi-Fi and NFC. It allows you to easily transfer your images to your smart devices and share them with your friends and family. Record full HD 1080p videos with this camera. It allows you to capture high-quality videos, making it ideal for creating memories. The optical viewfinder provides approximately 95% viewing coverage. This feature helps you frame your shots accurately and see exactly what you're capturing. Use the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software to turn this camera into a high-quality webcam. It's a great way to enhance your video calls and online meetings. What we like. This camera boasts a 24.1 MP CMOS sensor, ensuring detailed images. It also features built-in Wi-Fi for easy sharing. If you're looking for a user-friendly DSLR with great image quality and convenient connectivity, this is a solid choice for capturing memories on the go. What people say. The quality is superb, sleek, easy-to-use design, and easy to take anywhere. Easy to use. Can choose settings that make sense. Crisp photos. The 24.1 MP sensor captures crisp, clean images in both daylight and low light. You'll instantly notice the difference in depth, clarity, and color accuracy compared to any smartphone. Whether you're shooting portraits, street scenes, or nature, it delivers professional-looking results. Number 4. Panasonic LUMIX G7KS 4K Mirrorless Camera. This camera offers superb image quality, rivaling traditional DSLRs. It delivers exceptional performance without the bulk and weight, making it a great choice for photographers on the go. Never miss a moment with its 4K Ultra HD video pause and save features. This allows you to extract high-resolution photos from your videos, ensuring you capture every detail. The camera's autofocus system is fast and precise, allowing it to track subjects effectively. It offers various focus modes to suit different shooting scenarios, ensuring sharp and clear images. It features an interchangeable lens system and a wide range of accessories. This gives you the flexibility to customize your setup for various shooting needs, expanding your creative possibilities. Unleash your creativity with the built-in Wi-Fi sharing capabilities. It allows you to easily share your photos and videos, making it simple to connect and share your work with others. What we like. This camera offers stunning 4K video capabilities, bringing your footage to life. Its compact design makes it easy to carry around. If you are a vlogger or content creator who values portability and high-resolution video, it's a perfect fit. What people say. The camera's autofocus system is incredibly fast and accurate, even in low light. The image quality is outstanding, with excellent dynamic range and color accuracy. The camera's ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Number 3. Canon EOS 90D DSLR Camera. This camera boasts a 32.5 megapixel CMOS sensor, ensuring high-quality images. It's designed to capture every moment with exceptional clarity and detail. With continuous shooting at up to 10 frames per second, you won't miss a thing. The camera's fast processing speed means no lag during viewfinder shooting. Record videos in stunning 4K UHD at 30p or Full HD at 120p. It allows you to create professional-looking videos with ease. Featuring a 45-point all-cross-type AF system, it ensures sharp focus. The system supports up to 27 points with an f8 metering. Use the EOS Utility Webcam Beta software to turn it into a high-quality webcam. You can also achieve the same result using a clean HDMI output. What we like. This camera delivers high image quality with its 32.5 MP sensor. It also shoots in 4K UHD video, perfect for professional-looking footage. If you're a photography enthusiast or a videographer who needs speed and resolution, you should consider this. What people say. The camera's autofocus system is incredibly fast and accurate, even in low light. The image quality is outstanding, with excellent dynamic range and color accuracy. The camera's ergonomic design makes it comfortable to hold and use for extended periods. Number 2. Canon EOS 2000D DSLR Camera Bundle. Introducing the Canon EOS 2000D. This DSLR camera is perfect for capturing high-quality photos and videos. It's a great choice for both beginners and experienced photographers. The included EFS 18 to 55mm lens provides versatile shooting options. It's ideal for capturing a wide range of subjects, from landscapes to portraits. This lens will help you get the perfect shot. With the included 128GB memory card, you'll have plenty of space for your photos and videos. You won't have to worry about running out of storage while you're out shooting. It allows you to take countless photos. This 28-piece bundle includes everything you need to get started. It comes with a case and other accessories to enhance your photography experience. Everything is included to make sure you're ready to go. The Canon EOS 2000D is designed to be user-friendly. Its intuitive interface makes it easy to learn and use. You'll be taking amazing photos in no time. What we like. This camera comes with a versatile EFS 18 to 55mm lens, suitable for various shooting scenarios. It also includes a 128GB memory card. If you're a beginner looking for a complete package to start your photography journey, this bundle provides everything you need. What people say. Easy to use, good quality, Bluetooth and Wi-Fi is easy to set up on it to transfer to phone. So many features and so many things came with it. 2 chargers and 3 batteries. First, the camera and lens take great pictures. I like that it is Wi-Fi enabled and I can sync it to my phone and control it from there. Number 1. Canon EOS 2000D Rebel T7 DSLR Camera. This Canon EOS 2000D Rebel T7 is perfect for capturing high-quality photos and videos. It offers a great combination of features and ease of use, making it ideal for both beginners and experienced photographers. You'll love the results. The included EF 75 to 300mm f4 to 5.63 lens provides versatile telephoto capabilities. It allows you to zoom in on distant subjects with ease. The lens is designed to deliver sharp and clear images. The DC Micro Motor autofocus system ensures quick and accurate focusing. This helps you capture fast-moving subjects with ease. It works well with the electromagnetic diaphragm. This camera is compatible with a wide range of EOS cameras. It can be used with many different models, giving you flexibility. It's a great choice for various photography needs. It features a 3.0-inch display for easy viewing of your photos and videos. You can also record videos in 1080p resolution. This camera provides a great user experience. What we like. This camera includes an EF 75 to 300mm lens, ideal for capturing distant subjects. The DC Micro Motor AF system ensures quick and accurate focusing. If you enjoy wildlife or sports photography, this camera, with its telephoto lens, will help you capture those distant shots with ease. What people say. Camera was purchased to have as an addition as we also have EOS 5. They are both great cameras, easy to use and they take great photos. Light fast and takes great photos. From close-up outdoor pictures all the way to picture for church or events, this camera really covers it all. It has all the basic needs for a beginner and even for more moderate photographers. You can find the Amazon purchase link in the description below. Hope this video can be helpful to you. Thanks for watching.